Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to our podcast, Voices of Culture, where we explore the rich and diverse of the ethnic groups of the Philippines.
Ako si Cindy and kasama ko ang aking mga co-host na sina
Sally,
Angelica,
Lisa.
So for today's episode, pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa mga pinakakulalang ethnic group sa Mindanao, ang Maranao people. So malalaman natin dito ang kanilang history, culture, traditions, beliefs, at kung paano nababago ang kanilang kultura sa paglipas ng panahon.
So relax and listen and samahan niyo kaming ma-discover ang makulay na kultura ng mga Maranao people.
Ang Maranao ay isa sa mga major Muslim ethnic group dito sa Pilipinas. Ang name nila comes from the word Ranao, which means lake.
Ang meaning naman ng Maranao is people of the lake because nakatira sila around Lake Lanao sa Lanao del Sur, Mindanao. Salwa, di ba Muslim ka? So ano bang pinagkaiba ng Lanao sa Mindanao?
Maranao sa Mindanao. Ano nila kaya, siya, lugar sa isang siyang lugar, Mindanao. Ang Ranao naman, or Maranao, yan yung mga tao.
Tao sa
Hindi ko na-explain.
Tao sa Mindanao.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tao sa Mindanao na mga ethnic group, kabilang na doon ng mga Maranao, Tausog at Maguindanao.
Okay. So, Lake Lanao is also very important kasi dito nakukuha yung foods, water, and also pagdeto ng kanilang pagkakakilanlan at identity.
Yeah. At ang mga Maranao ay kabilang sa mga Moro ethnic groups, kasama na dyan ang Tausog at Maguindanao. So, yan na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, kabilang kami sa Moro ethnic group. Pero magkakaiba yan, okay? Maranao, Tausog, tas mga Maguindanao. Iba din yung culture nila. Yes. Pero isa lang, mga Muslim din yan, yung mga Muslim dyan.
And also, kilala din sila sa strong culture, tradition, and artistic skills nila.
Okay.
Ang Maranao or People of the Lake o Tausaragat kung kilalanin ay tinaguri ang mga tribong nasa timog ang huling sumunod sa relihiyong Islam ilang siglo na ang nakakalipas. Ang Marawi ay itinatag bilang dansalan noong 1639 ng mga Espanyol, ngunit bigo nang ito'y kanilang sakupin. Sa pamumuno ni Prince Bantugan at ang kanyang iniibig na si Baida Timbang, naging tanyag ang lahing Maranao sa paghahanap buhay at pagiging biyasa sa paggawa ng ginto, pagsasaka at maging yamang kultura. Ang Lake Lanao at Lansa, isang bangka, turugan, ang bahay ng mga Maranao, Darangan, ito ay ang sikat na epikong Maranao, Kirim, isa itong pre-Hispanic na pagsusulat na namana sa letra ng mga Arabic o Arabic. Singkil, sikat na sayaw ng mga Maranao. Ukir, ang disenyong pwede nilang ilagay sa kanilang turugan. Sarimano, Papanoka Mra o Marapatik. Ito ay ang sikat na makasaysayang ibon ng mga Maranao na naging simbolo ng kanilang sining. Kulintang, ito ay ang karaniwang instrumento sa musika nila.
So, matagal na existing ang Maranao people even before dumating ang mga Spanish colonizer in the Philippines. So, noong 14th century, dumating ang Islam through Muslim traders and missionaries from Malaysia and Indonesia.
And since then, naging malaking bahagi na ng identity nila ang Islam.
Unlike sa ibang areas in the Philippines, the Maranao been able to resist the Spanish colonization. So, napipreserve nila yung culture and tradition.
They were also led by the sultans and batus as their protector and leaders in their communities. Done.
Maranao is an Austronesian language spoken by the Maranao people around Lake Lanao in Mindanao, Philippines. The Maranao people are an indigenous Muslim ethnic group native to the region around Lake Lanao on the island of Mindanao, Philippines. Their name means people of the lake. They are one of the largest non-Christian ethnic group in the Philippines, with population of more than 1.8 million people. The Maranao have a deep-rooted Islamic faith, adopted in the 14th century, and are known for their strong sense of clan loyalty and social organization. They have a rich artistic heritage, being highly skilled in weaving, wood carving, and metalwork. The Maranao people are proud of their storied history and have maintained their cultural identity despite external influences. Maranao culture is a vibrant blend of pre-Islamic traditions and Islamic influences, particularly evident in their visual arts,
Ang language nila is called Maranao language and which is widely pa din siya today.
Ginagamit na rin namin siya sa bahay kapag nagpapagawa. So, isa sa pinaka-famous cultural clothing ay ang manong.
Ang malong is a modern tubular cloth na may iba't ibang style.
So, ginagamit ito like things like jacket, clothing, bag, and even baby carrier. So, ang manong ginagamit pa rin siya until now, especially kapag may event or occasion or traditional event.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
Ang malong na landap ay isang tradisyonal na damit na mula sa mga Maranao ng Mindanao sa Pilipinas. Ito ay nakikilala sa pamamagitan ng mga matungkad na kulay at masalimuot na mga disenyo na hinabi ng kamay, lalo na ang langkit na isang pandekorasyon na guhit ng mga geometric na pattern. Ang malong na landap ay may malaking kahalagahan sa kultura.
The Maranao people, including me, are very famous for their arts.
Ang pinaka-known na arts nila is here.
Ang ukir is a traditional design flowing pattern inspired by nature and land. And makikita ang ukir sa house, clothing, decoration.
Yeah. And they are also known for their traditional instrument called kulintang.
Ang kulintang is a set of books which played during the ceremony, celebration, and weddings.
Ang traditional house ng mga Maranao elite is the Torogan. Ito ay malaking wooden house elevated above the ground and may decoration siyang ukir design.
Then, the Torogan is symbolized power, leadership, and social status ng mga Maranao people.
Ipinapakita din dito ang kanilang creativity, architectural skill.
Importante ang Islam sa pang-araw-araw ng mga Maranao dahil their religions influence their traditions, clothing, and their way of life.
There were also value respect, family unity, honor, and community.
Malaki ang respeto nila sa kanilang leaders, elders, and family members.
Piuí, tiquita que novinha fica à vontade. Pode sentar gostosinho na camiseta de chocolate. Piuí, tiquita que novinha fica à vontade. Pode sentar gostosinho na camiseta de chocolate. Piuí, tiquita que novinha fica à vontade. Pode sentar gostosinho na camiseta.
So one of the most important cultural treasure of Maranao is the Ranem Epic.
Ito ay traditional story passed down from generation to generation. So it tells stories of heroes, love, war, and adventure.
Yeah, and Darangan or Darangan sa Tagalog is very important that UNESCO is recognized it as a part of cultural heritage. So, ang Darangan sa Muya, ano siya, usually nangyayari siya kapag may kasal, kunyari before ang kasalan, may dato na nagtataram sa Santang Dato. Tapos, ini-explain niya kung paano mag-start yung pamumuhay ng mag-asawa. Parang nag-i-story siya ng love, kung ano sila.
So, parang ginaguide siya.
Yes, gano'n. Parang gano'n. Today, nagbabago-bago rin ang lifestyle ng mga Maranao people because of modernization.
Many Maranao people now go to school, use modern technology, and work in cities.
Pero kahit may changes, they still preserve their culture and tradition.
The younger generations have to promote their culture through education, arts, and social media.
How far you wanted to showcase the beauty of your people, your place, and its culture. Let me show you what I see, what I feel, and I started to do. A place where traditions, culture are kept alive. And designs that cultivate their identity.
Ito yung mga disenyo ng mga Muslim, mga Maranao.
Architectures identify a unique design for its people. That's the beauty of the people of the lake.
The Maranao people is very important part of the Philippine culture. Their traditions and beliefs shows the diversity of our culture.
And learning about our culture help us understand and respect other ethnic groups.
It also reminds us how rich and beautiful the Filipino culture is.
Wow! Today, we learned about the Maranao people, including me, our history, traditions, arts, and beliefs.
We discovered how they preserve their culture despite of modernization.
Their story shows the importance of culture in shaping identity. So let us continue to respect, appreciate, and preserve all of the ethnic groups.
So this is Voice of Culture.
Thank you for listening.
Bye!
Thank you!
Yay!